my dear brothers in River State, it is really sad to note that all the houses sold through abandoned property, all the houses our parents bought through abandoned property are now being bought again by the Igbos. The same properties we bought through abandoned property, the Igbos are buying them. Not only in Port Harcourt, but even in Lagos. Tomorrow I go talk. Say, they're not full everywhere. You are selling back your properties to them. You are selling back your properties to them. The Igbos are buying our properties. Tomorrow I go say, they cheat you before they buy them. Now with your koro eye, your koro eye, you are selling all your father's properties to the Igbos. You are selling all your properties to the Igbos. Tomorrow you go tell me say, Igbo man a corny man, Igbo man a cheater, Igbo man a this, Igbo man a that, Igbo man a that, Igbo man a this. Yet you are selling almost 70% of the houses that you bought through abandoned property back to the same people that originally built them, back to the same people that originally owned them, back to the same people that originally you accused of stealing your commonwealth to build. Your father has thought they were smart, but you have proven to your fathers that you are not smart. Your head is dull. That is the reason you are selling everything your father bought through abandoned property to the Igbo man. The Igbo man that truly owned them, that truly built them. Isn't the God asleep? God don't sleep. God don't sleep. That is what is in vogue in River State. The Igbos are buying almost everywhere, developing everywhere. I'm not going to talk to them now. Tomorrow I'm going to say, they claim they are not getting River State. But you are the same people that are selling your properties. You are the same people that are selling your houses to them. I don't hate the Igbo man, but the Igbo man is a very intelligent and smart man. Today they buy, tomorrow when you almost buy everywhere, you want to fight and back. That time you go worry you. That time you go worry you. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not tell you. Keep on selling them. Sell everything you have. Sell it to them. They're business with that. Sell them.
Well, God is alive, oh, as he be, God is alive. Igbos are doing what the citizens of Nigeria should do, or is expected to do. As a citizen of Nigeria, you can buy houses in everywhere. Once the people sells, you can buy and build. I'm happy Igbos are not taking these things by force, but with hard-earned money. And this has been the case in the past, though during the war, we hear of cases of abandoned property, and some of these properties were seized wrongly. Some said the Igbos of River State did not participate in the idea of taking properties of Southeasterners as abandoned property. They say Igbos of River State did not participate. And maybe their neighbors, I don't know whether they judge, or some are saying too, they were influenced later and they took the ones they took. I don't even know. But I don't know whether we should be afraid investing in River State again. I don't know. Look at what he's saying. These are Igbo-owned properties. During the war, they were seized and they were called abandoned properties. Now, he said, Igbos are buying back these properties. He said, God know they sleep, oh, and truly God know they sleep. You know, in this our channel, we normally advise Igbo to invest in Igbo land, and we consider River State part of Igbo land. as Ikwere, and I'm part of a chair, and so I don't know whether to tell them to continue. As for Lagos State, I'm advising Igbos not to invest in Lagos State again, as in huge landed property. You can get where you stay, but I'm telling Igbos not to buy huge, properties in Lagos, because we already see what Lagos is doing, what the Yoruba people are doing, the way they, plan to take back some of these things. Though they can't just do it, but there are certain things that are happening that is not welcoming. So while we tell Igbos to still invest in River State, is because we feel the old wounds are beginning to heal, and that a lot of them are beginning to identify as Igbos that they are. So you have heard what this guy is saying. I don't even know the intention of the video, but I'm wondering which way to go now. It's like alerting the people. Look at what is happening. Igbos are beginning to buy again. Now, tell us what you think. Should Igbos invest? It is quite sad. It is quite sad. But I hope things have really changed. Is he telling them to stop selling to Southeastern Igbos? Because in this case, Southeastern Igbos, it's not that Ikwere people or the River State people are not Igbo. In fact, River State is majority Igbo. So is he specifically telling them, don't sell to Southeastern Igbo? And should I also advise our Southeastern Igbos to stop buying in River State? What do you really think? This video is like an alarming video. According to him, 60% has been bought up by Southeastern Igbos again. Well, whether it's an alarm, whatsoever it is, whatever is his intention of doing this video, there is truth in what he's saying. In that claim that the truth there is that our forefathers bought up River State before the war. And to some of these people, we are dominating, we are taking over their land. Meanwhile, they sold the land just like in Lagos. Somebody will sell his land for you at a very high price and will look forward to reclaiming the land again. That was what happened as in the case of abandoned property in River State. According to him, the real owners, the people who built those places, are taking it back. Not by force again. Can you imagine? You bought something, they seized it from you, and later offered it up again for sale, and you're buying it again. And normally, if you buy something, it's supposed to be yours. Something has been exchanged for that. Your wealth, your hard-earned money has been exchanged. A legal tender has been exchanged. I hope that wouldn't be the case again. What do you think? I want you to add your comment on the comment section of this channel. Igbos investing. I used to tell my brothers, yes, go back, go to anywhere that is called Igbo land, invest. I'm specifically talking to my brothers of the hinterland. Go to the coastal Igbo land, invest. But what do you think now? We need to move forward. Tell us what you think on the comment section of this video. Like I said, he mentioned Lagos. That's where I have reservations. Lagos. Haven't seen what is happening recently. And without much thought, I will ask Igbo to stop buying properties in Lagos, Yoruba land, if possible, unless for some reasons which we may not have time to explain in this video. The guy made a lot of senses, yeah. Though we don't know the true intentions. Perhaps he's telling them, you have sold enough, don't sell further. I don't know. According to him, God knows they sleep. Oh, those properties were lost in the name of abandoned properties. People had documents for those properties, but it was seized. Now, the same people, if you say God had no day this thing, Say Igbos buying back what is theirs. See strongly. Aka Chukwu dị ya. I hope our Igbo people in River State will understand. As in, let them know the limit of what they will do concerning their land. We don't want, we see ourselves as one, but let them know how to arrange their place. We don't want to have troubles or problems with them again in the future. We see ourselves as one, and we are forging ahead on our unified Igbo project. And sincerely, I used to advise people. If you go to, I was discussing with a friend in Italy, my short friend, and he was telling me in part of it, maybe Turin or Torino, Italy, so there's a place, yes, they will be selling their lands, but there's a part of that place that they don't sell. It belongs to the indigent. So now on know how on take the plan on things. You have to do things rightly so that in future you not regret. Because it is wrong for somebody to obtain your property, pay for it, and you go through the back door or through other means trying to obtain it again. And we will not have problem with our brothers in River State again. That will not happen again. And we're not talking about another war. There will not be war. We will continue to live peaceably with them. But viewers, I want you to talk about this. This video is, some people will say it's quite disturbing, but what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. Please don't fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share this video widely. Bye-bye for now.